So it's been a bit since I've uploaded anything, and there's a lot that's happened, so let's go through what's happened in the last few weeks. First of all, I got a 3D printer. The exact model is a bamboo PONS combo with the AMS multicolor attachment. I received it a week ago, and I've been doing nothing but modeling. My first original design is this little keychain with the words K'NEX Enthusiast and some K'NEX pieces on it. The next thing I designed is a top design for my next project, which is now pretty obvious. Now that I have this train done and printed out, I can now get back to actually building. Speaking of building, I currently have two projects going on. The first is Helios, which hasn't changed much since I've been building it on live streams. I will be doing a stream later the day that this video comes out, so stay tuned for that. My large project going on at the moment is my recreation of ZADRA from Energylandia. At first glance, it may look like I'm almost done, but this isn't the case. I started making ZADRA building forward so I wouldn't run into any scaling issues. But the problem is I made it too small. I also started running out of speed halfway through, so I decided to work my way backwards. I built all the way up until the airtime hill parallel to the left with little issue. Now after that is when I ran into some issues. For the train to make the hill, the wave turn needs to be massive, which is just not going to work. This means I will have to retrack about half of what I've built so far, which won't be much fun. At this point, my plan is to just make it as big as it needs to be and hope that I can get it working and finish it soon. To end the video, I want to mention a new website made by the K'NEX maker. It is similar to the old sscoasters.net site that has been down for many years. It's called the K'NEX Build Hub, where anyone can post any of their creations, whether it's a coaster, ball machine, or whatever else you can come up with. I will try and be active there with new coaster updates or just hang out. Lastly, we are really close to 1,000 subscribers, and I have a really cool idea, but it's getting hard to keep it to myself, so maybe you can help me out with this. Anyway, that's about all the updates I have, so make sure to stay tuned for ZADRA and all future projects. Thanks for watching.